Mallard ducks are common wild ducks that live in northern hemisphere wetlands. Most domestic tame ducks were bred from mallards. The female is called a hen, the male is called a drake, and the young are called ducklings. Monkeys are primates, an order of intelligent mammals that also includes apes and people. There are about 125 species of monkeys. A group of monkeys is called a troop. The loudest monkey is the howler monkey. The most acrobatic is the spider monkey. Monkeys can live up to 45 years in captivity. Monkeys' main predators are eagles, hawks, and humans. The moose is the largest member of the deer family. The genus and species of the moose are Alces alces. Moose are strong runners. Moose are found in northern forests in North America, Europe, and Russia. In Europe and Asia, moose are called elk. Moose are solitary animals who have a deep call and a strong scent. They have a lifespan of about 17 years in the wild. The mosquito is a common flying insect that is found around the world. There are about 2,700 species of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes can fly about 1 to 1.5 miles per hour, 1.6 to 2.4 kilometers per hour. The rat is a small rodent. Rats are found worldwide in almost every type of environment. They are related to mice, but are usually larger. Rats have powerful teeth and can gnaw through very hard materials. Some rats are nocturnal, most active at night. Rats have a lifespan of about a year in the wild and breed often during their short life. The nightingale is a small songbird that belongs to the thrush family. Nightingales have an incredibly rich, loud, complex, and melodious song. They sing mostly at night. The scientific name of the nightingale is Licinia megarincos, genus and species.